I want to save money. I want to save money. Saving money is important. Saving money is important. I have a monthly budget. I have a monthly budget. I track my expenses. I track my expenses. I spend too much money. I spend too much money. I need to control my spending. I need to control my spending. I earn money every month. I earn money every month. My salary is good. My salary is good. I want to increase my income. I want to increase my income. I am saving for the future. I am saving for the future. I keep money in the bank. I keep money in the bank. I have a savings account. I have a savings account. I check my balance regularly. I check my balance regularly. I want to invest money. I want to invest money. Investing is important. Investing is important. I am learning about finance. I am learning about finance. Money management is important. Money management is important. I plan my expenses. I plan my expenses. I avoid unnecessary spending. I avoid unnecessary spending. I save a part of my income. I save a part of my income. I need financial discipline. I need financial discipline. I set financial goals. I set financial goals. I want financial freedom. I want financial freedom. I am building wealth. I am building wealth. I want to grow my money. I want to grow my money. I invest regularly. I invest regularly. I spend wisely. I spend wisely. I compare prices before buying. I compare prices before buying. I look for discounts. I look for discounts. I save money on shopping. I save money on shopping. I avoid debt. I avoid debt. Debt can be dangerous. Debt can be dangerous. I pay my bills on time. I pay my bills on time. I use my money carefully. I use my money carefully. I need to manage my money better. I need to manage my money better. I am improving my financial habits. I am improving my financial habits. I want to become rich. I want to become rich. I want financial stability. I want financial stability. I save for emergencies. I save for emergencies. Emergency funds are important. Emergency funds are important. I invest in my future. I invest in my future. I want passive income. I want passive income. I am learning new skills. I am learning new skills. Skills help me earn more. Skills help me earn more. I work hard for money. I work hard for money. I use money wisely. I use money wisely. I plan my financial future. I plan my financial future. I make smart decisions. I make smart decisions. I think before I spend. I think before I spend. I am financially responsible. I am financially responsible. Money is a useful tool. Money is a useful tool. Saving is a good habit. Saving is a good habit. I reduce my expenses. I reduce my expenses. I cut unnecessary costs. I cut unnecessary costs. I focus on my goals. I focus on my goals. I stay disciplined. I stay disciplined. I improve every day. I improve every day. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. I work on my future. I work on my future. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. Repeat the sentences again. Repeat the sentences again. Practice every day. Practice every day. Listening improves pronunciation. Listening improves pronunciation. Speaking builds confidence. Speaking builds confidence. Repeating improves fluency. Repeating improves fluency. Learning English takes time. Learning English takes time. Stay consistent. Stay consistent. Small progress matters. Small progress matters. Keep learning daily. Keep learning daily. Do not be afraid to speak. Do not be afraid to speak. Confidence grows with practice. Confidence grows with practice. Your English will improve. Your English will improve. Keep repeating the sentences. Keep repeating the sentences. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. Practice with confidence. Practice with confidence. Keep improving. Keep improving. English is useful. English is useful. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. Stay motivated. Stay motivated. Keep going. Keep going. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Success takes practice. Success takes practice. Your effort matters. Your effort matters. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Keep speaking English. Keep speaking English. Keep listening to English. Keep listening to English. Keep practicing daily. Keep practicing daily. You are doing great. You are doing great. Be patient. Be patient. Keep learning new words. Keep learning new words. Improve step by step. Improve step by step. Stay focused. Stay focused. Never give up. Never give up. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you for learning today. Thank you for learning today. Keep learning English every day. Keep learning English every day. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Goodbye and take care. Goodbye and take care.